Mott MacDonald's been based in Wales for over 60 years and is the largest employee-owned company in the UK working in the construction sector. We're heavily involved in aspects such as the South Wales Metro, the new Velindre Cancer Care Hospital, and many other schemes of that ilk. The workforce that we have is brilliant. The recruitment that we can do, working closely with the universities that we've got in Cardiff, is second to none. We also work very closely with higher education and further education, so we have apprentices come through. The workforce is brought here and wants to work here because of the aspirations that the city has, the types of projects. We've also got lots of competitors who are also working on these things, which overall attracts even more of the best talent. And of course I would say that most of them work for Mott MacDonald. Cardiff is quite an inspiring city nowadays. In the past it's maybe struggled to move out of the era of coal and steel, but in the last 30 years or so it's been transformed. My personal likes of Cardiff, apart from the easy option of saying I've got an office which is very close to my house, so I don't spend a lot of time commuting. I think I like the fact that I'm working in a place that is sort of steeped in heritage and culture and history, some of which does significantly influence what it is that we do and what we can do in the future, so that we don't lose that identity. So there's a real pleasurable challenge in taking new ideas and inspirational projects, but still keeping that heritage link. Cardiff developing, it's clearly expanding as a city. It's one of the fastest growing UK cities. A lot more residential development. It's developed very significantly as a university town. It's been attracting some world-leading events, whether they be sporting or NATO coming here to South Wales. There's some real inspiration there, and also some of the cultural things that we have. And the future, I think, is just going to build on some of the things that we've got. When I came here in the 1980s, if I came down to Cardiff Bay, or Cardiff Docks as it was then, I'd bump into keep outside some barbed wire. Whereas now we've got the Cardiff Bay development. I can come down here, I can watch the opera, and go for a glass of wine and a meal afterwards. And it's a very, very different world, and we are building on that to make it even better.